thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited. I just got this box delivered. It is the Sunday Riley box. So I believe this box is called the Not Safe for Work box, like NSFW. I'm really curious to see what's inside. I did see like a promo picture, but I only like caught a glimpse of 1 or 2 items, so most of this will be a surprise. I love this box. I think this honestly might be the most expensive subscription I get. So you can either purchase the Sunday Riley boxes as a one-time order, and that's like over $90, or you can subscribe and it's around $85. I will leave their link down below. I've gotten almost all of the boxes, maybe besides their very first one, and I love these boxes. I know it's pricey, but you get a lot of stuff and the themes are always so great. The last one I did, it was like 3 months ago. It was their sleep box and I loved everything in it. I'm like almost done with like a sleep spray that came in it, and it was just amazing. So yeah, I love Sunday Riley box. I know they had a lot of drama recently. I kind of touched on that in some video. Was it the last Sunday Riley unboxing? I'm not sure. About how like Sunday Riley was doing like fake reviews. I don't really understand why they did that, because I honestly use and love their products. So yeah, that was pretty much my version. I don't think they needed to do that, and I think a lot more companies do it than we are aware of. But anyways, let's get this box open. Usually it comes in like a more colorful box, but it kind of makes sense that it's like more discreet, that it's like not safe for work box. But there's like just this picture right here. So yeah, I'm gonna grab my scissors and let's get started. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it says not safe for work, Sunday Riley. Do you see that? Oh, and it's got like a butt and some lingerie going on. So right on top it says, oh, this is about one of the items inside. I'll wait to read that. But the not safe for work, it has a sheet here and it lists all of the stuff that's inside. So let's see what the first paragraph is. It looks like they are, oh, that's great. They're excited to partner with Period as the first organization to benefit our new Sunday Riley or our new Sunday Shares charitable initiative. Going forward, 10% of all subscription box sales will be donated to charitable organizations to further our commitment to our core values, which are defending animal welfare, protecting our planet, and advocating for human rights. Period. Period is a youth-fueled organization leading the menstrual movement through service, education, and advocacy. Period works to end period poverty and stigma, establish menstrual health as a fundamental right, and provide menstrual supplies to people in need. And then it says to learn more, visit period.org. So that's great. I love when my boxes donate. And you guys, this box is full of stuff. This little card's on here. It says, psst, an irresistible deal. And it gives you a code for 20% off your next Sunday Riley purchase. Awesome. So how about we start with the actual Sunday Riley products. So I love how they send them in these like sealable bags. They have these cute like heart bubble wrap. Like, so these are perfect to save for when you travel. And this is like one of the very few things I saw that was coming in. I'm so excited because I just finished mine. This is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, and I really do like this product. It's just like the full size is $100. Let me find it in here. So I think this is a smaller size. This is 15 mLs. I think the other one is 30. So this is $43. It says clean, purified glycolic acid, deeply exfoliates and repairs the look of your skin for a visibly radiant, healthier looking complexion. Good Jeans glycolic penetrates the surface of the skin with tiny glycolic acid molecules sinking deeper into the skin than any other forms of AHA to break apart pore clogging debris and repair the look of sun-damaged, congested, wrinkled, or dull skin. I'm excited to try this. The last one I had was actually made with lactic acid, but based on some rules in the EU with like percentages of lactic acid, they ended up switching it over to glycolic. So I wonder if my skin will act differently with this. I don't know. I'm really excited to try it. And then it looks like we also got in here like a little sample of their, I think this is their newest moisturizer, the Ice Moisturizer. So I've gotten a sample of this before, but I have yet to try it. I usually save things like this for travel, but I definitely will. Let's see if it says on here. So this little guy here is $11, and it's their Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. It is ceramide enriched moisturizer that replenishes the skin with lasting hydration and strengthens the skin natural moisture barrier against environmental stressors responsible for premature aging. Rich but lightweight, this dual action moisturizer pulls hydration into the skin and strengthens the skin's natural moisture barrier. Together, skin is glowing, baby smooth, and deeply hydrated. Oh, I should try this. So super excited about that. I'm so glad to have some good jeans, and again, I'm excited to see if it works any differently than the formulation with lactic acid. I heard they're supposed to be really similar, but there's one more item in here that is by the Sunday Riley brand, and this is actually a massage candle. Let me get it out of the bubble wrapping. So this is the Come Upstairs massage candle. Its notes are linden blossom, vanilla, honey, and sandalwood. And it says, directions, burn the candle until the wax pool reaches the outer edge of the candle and extinguish the flame. When wax is cool enough to touch, slowly pour into the skin and massage in. I've gotten massage candles before, but I ended up just like burning them and never using them for like a massage. So this is what the actual candle looks like. It smells good. I love sandalwood. I read that and that was in here, right? Yeah, so linden blossom, vanilla, honey, and sandalwood. It smells just like that. It smells really good. Let's see how much this costs. Wow, this is a $65 candle. That's crazy. Like, I would never purchase this myself, like, but I love getting it in a box. Awesome. And it says, whether you're flying solo or with a partner or two, engage all of the senses and envelope yourself in the warmth of linden blossom, the sweetness of honey and vanilla, and the sensuous of sandalwood with our exclusive limited edition Come Upstairs massage candle. Created in all-natural wax and 100% cotton wick, Come Upstairs isn't just made to set the mood, it's also for play. It smells so good. Next, let's look at what this is. It says Natto. This is a multi-use natural Unisexy body and hair oil. It looks like 2 ounces, 3 months shelf life. And heroin and hero ingredients are organic hemp oil, vetiver, and lavender. So this is what it looks like. It says, pump oil into palms and rub onto your legs, pubic, underarms, face, head, anywhere, hair, or body. This oil acts dually as a soothing body and anywhere hair oil and scent. Ooh, I want to smell it. Put a little bit on my hand. Oh, it smells really good. Definitely can smell that lavender in it. So let's see, I bet this is expensive, I just have a feeling. Okay, this is $40 for 2 ounces. It says, wherever you choose to grow hair, this oil is here to soften and protect. Great for the body too. The perfect harmony between strong and soft. Moisture-rich organic hemp seed oil is mixed with a smoky, strong vetiver and sweet lavender to create the perfect harmony in a nutrient-dense treatment. This multi-use oil acts dually as a soothing body and anywhere hair oil and scent. Also, a special tip from Noto, it's great for giving special friends a massage. Yeah, I bet. And the scent's so relaxing too. Alright, next, this is by J. Hannah, and I think it says that this is a nail polish. Oops, I just ruined the packaging. It's cute packaging, but I just ripped it. So, ooh, this is a cool color. So this is 7 free nail polish in blue nudes. I really need a manicure now. I'm like, oh god, don't look at my nails. So this J. Hannah nail polish in blue nudes is $19. It says inky pigment, Matisse's palette. Midnight J. Hannah's blue nudes is part of a line of carefully edited high quality polishes for the color resistant, inspired by artist palettes, natural elements, and the muses who we envision channeling specific colors or moods. Polishes that consider the gracefulness of hands and the role of subtle color as an element in the considered wardrobe. I don't think I have anything like this. Next, what is this? It says Queen Bee, I think. Is this something for your bee? Everything is so like nicely packaged, so everything got here safe. So Queen Bee Pop the Bubbly Bubble Bath. It's made with green tea, mango, and chamomile extracts. Cruelty-free, gynecologist-approved, paraben and dye-free. This bubbly and pH-balanced soak works to soften, delicately moisturize, and scent skin without irritating your Queen Bee. And this is large. This is 500 mLs. Let's see. Let's take a sniff. It smells so good. What is that? Green tea, mango, and chamomile? It smells so good. I'm excited to use this. See how much this costs. This is $9. Wow, and you get a lot of product too. That's awesome. Next we have something here by Crave, and this is the Vesper Vibrator Necklace. Stainless steel USB rechargeable vibrator necklace. So that's what this little piece of paper that came with. It says, we want you to have fun, but we care about your safety. Recommended use for the Crave Vesper Vibrator. says this fun accessory is great for playtime, but is always for external use only. Do not insert anywhere into your body. We don't want you to lose it. Oh, well, I mean, if it's a necklace, wouldn't they have like a string to pull it off? Let's see what this looks like. It says it's in rose gold. So a vibrator and a necklace. That's interesting. There's like a quick start guide. Oh wow, this is fancy. It's like in this nice little case here that says Crave on it. Oh wow, it kind of looks like a whistle or something. So this is what it looks like. I wish it was charged now. So here's the USB. I'll have to charge it and then we could, so I could like show you how strong it is. But let's read more about it. The vibrating necklace. Where are you? Where are you? Wow, this is $69. It says the Crave Vesper is a distinctly unique product, I would say so, being both a beautiful statement piece of jewelry as well as a no compromises vibrator. Made of entirely body safe, high polished stainless steel, Vesper has a quiet motor with 4 powerful settings to choose from. A focused tip delivers sensation wherever you want it most. Wear it out on the town or stay in and get down. Either way, Vesper is sure to empower and delight. Wow. So now if you guys like see me wearing this in my videos, you'd be like, this is like the most unique, interesting thing ever. I want to charge it. I wish I could show you guys the different speeds. Oh, it is working. So there's a little button right here. So cool, it comes charged. This little guy has some power and now it's like pulsating. Can you guys even hear it? The loudest setting was a little bit loud, but cool. Next up is something by Rosie Jane, Rosy Perfume Oil, Clean Beauty for Cool Humans. And I think this is in the scent Rosy. At least it says it on top. It says, feels like sleeping in your birthday suit, nude and translucent, sheer musk, rose, vanilla, paraben, phthalate, BHT free. And by choosing BRJ, you're choosing no single-use plastic, clean and natural ingredients, and California made. It's cruelty-free and vegan, 100% recyclable material. So this is what it looks like. This sounds familiar, kind of like. I wonder if I've gotten a roll-on like in Birchbox. Smells good. I don't think I put perfume on yet today. Like it's not too rosy scented like you might think because it's called Rosy. It smells really good. So this is 5 mLs and $40. Fragrance is so expensive. It says a clean fragrance is paraben, phthalate, and cruelty free. Rosy is inspired by naked skin with notes of nude musk and hints of sweet rose. It feels like sleeping in your birthday suit, sheer and nude. By Rosie Jane perfume oils are pure fragrance oils. They are the most concentrated way to experience their fragrances. Roll on to pulse points, inner wrists, behind the ears, behind the knees, and décolleté. Awesome, this smells really good. I'm excited to have this. And next, and I think this is the last item in here. Oh, and I'm super excited. It looks like it's like a shaving kit by Flamingo. My razor is like so dull and I need to replace it, so this is good timing. So this Flamingo shave set is $16. It says, Shaving Essentials set by Flamingo includes all you need to achieve the perfect shave. It includes the thoughtfully designed Flamingo razor with expertly engineered blades, shave gel, body lotion, a hook, and reusable travel pouch to take it all with you. Great. In this set, you receive 1 Flamingo razor handle, 2 German engineered 5-blade cartridges, 1 foaming shave gel, 1 body lotion, 1 shower hook, and 1 reusable pouch. That's a lot for $16. I think that's a great deal. You get 2 of the cartridges. So here's the body lotion. It's made with white willow bark. See, I bet it has a safety seal. Oh, I can't get it. Yeah, the lotion has a light scent. It smells good. Not as good as that perfume, but I think they pair well together. And then here's the foaming shave gel. It says conditions and cushions. And here's like that little what's the shower hook? Alright, can't use my words. Yeah, like sometimes when I film early, it's like the first time I talk all day besides to my cats. A razor that flexes to fit all of your curves and edges. Oh, and it goes, ooh, and it's a fun color too. Awesome. And then the last thing in this bag is the other cartridge for when this goes dull. So perfect timing. I'm super excited to get this. I think this is a good box, you guys. Let me put this all back in this pack and then let's wrap this video up. Chat about my favorites. I love everything. I must say, I'm like the most intrigued by this vibrating necklace. I think that is so cool. I've never heard of this. I've heard of like vibrating lipsticks before, like that look like lipstick that you can carry in your bag. And that has 4 settings and it's strong and it's not too loud too. I like the oil, the scent, the candle. Love getting candles. The nail polish is like, I usually get my nails done professionally, but I do my toes. And I think this would be a good toe color, so I'll definitely have to try that out. I'm so glad to have good jeans again. The shaving kit, definitely will use that. Like, I feel like I'm gonna actually use everything, and I'm super excited about it. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. What was your favorite item? Do you think you would actually wear that necklace, or would you just use it as a toy, or both? But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.